Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about कैंपस नॉवल. कैंपस नॉवल क्या है और कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट कैंपस नॉवल के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. डेविड लोच इन हिज आर्टिकल नाबोको एंड द कैंपस नॉवल ट्रेस द origin of word campus. It has Latin origin means field. So the first description of campus novel is in the work of the David Loch article Nabokov and the campus novel. And campus is a Latin word, its meaning is field. It is also known as the academic fiction. These genres date back to 1950s. This campus novel was famous from the time 1950s. The setting of campus novel is inside the campus of a university. That why it also called as campus novel. Deals with fictional possibilities created within the walls of a university. So the area of the campus novels is the university. यूनिवर्सिटी के एरिया में जो फिक्शनल पॉसिबिलिटीज़ होती हैं वो इसके अंदर होता है, यानी कि जो बैकग्राउंड होता है वो यूनिवर्सिटी होती है कोई भी. मेजर कैरेक्टर्स आर स्टूडेंट्स एंड academicians or professors, teachers. Contains some nostalgic feeling of college days. Some poets told about his own experiences in the universities. It highlights follies of academic life, difficulties of academic lives. It compass novel also comical and satirical in tone. So now some important campus novel. First campus novel is The Groves of Academy, which was published in 1950. It was written by Mary McCarthy. Earliest example of this genre. It is an American campus novel. The protagonist of this novel is Henry Mulcahy, a literary instructor at Joe Callion College, based on author's own teaching experience. So it is autobiographical novel. Its satire on academics. Preface is taken from Horan's epistles. Then the second compass novel is The Masters, which was published in 1950. It was written by S.P. Snow, part of his series of 11 novels titled as Strangers and Brothers. There is a series of novels. The title of the series of novel is Stranger and Brothers, and this Master is the part of this series. This novel deals with the appointment of a new teacher in anonymous Cambridge College. It is an American campus novel. Crawford and Jago, two figures nominated for the post of teacher, set in backdrop of Nazism in 1937. Narrator Louis Eliot, यानी कि the writer P.B. Snow. This is a part of the series of novels Stranger and Brothers. It is American campus novel, and the historical background of this novel is Nazism in 1937. A narrator is Louis Eliot. Then Eating People is Wrong, which was published in 1959, written by Malcolm Bradbury. Protagonist Stuart Tracy, a 40-year-old professor and head of the Department of English. He falls in love with one of his students, and he is in constant conflict with the idea of his younger generations, which he finds something old, very witty and satiric in tone. So this is the short story, that there is a professor in this novel. There is a professor name was Stuart Harris, and he falls in love with one of his student. Then Possession is Romance, which was published in 1990. It was written by A.S. Byatt. It won Booker Prize in 1990. It was written as a response to the French Lieutenant's Woman. It is a work, and this work is published in the response of the French Lieutenant's Woman. It belongs to genre of historiographic metafiction. Historiographic metafiction पर based है, यानी कि हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है. Ronald Michael and Maud Bailey are two research scholars doing research on love relationship of two Victorian poets, Randolph Henry Ashe and Christabel Lamotte. This is the story, that there is a two researchers who research on the love relationship of two Victorian poets. This novel was set in Victorian period. Ash represent Robert Browning or Tennyson and La Motte represent C.G. Rossetti. Letters, diary, extracts from poetry are included in narration and so letters, diaries और abstract का इसमें इस्तेमाल किया गया है. This novel is combination of wit, romance, intellectual mystery and love story. The next campus novel is Disgrace, which was published in 1999 by the John Maxwell Coetzee. This was set in post-apartheid South Africa. It also won Booker Prize. The protagonist of this novel is David Lurie, a South African professor of English. He has a lesbian daughter, Lucy. This David Lurie has a lesbian daughter, Lucy. Lucy twice divorced and has sexual relationship with a prostitute. Later he seduced the secretary of his university and then a student. Dismissed from his job, then Lucy was dismissed from his job. The David Lurie was dismissed from his job. Then he goes to Lurie's farm in Cape Town. Lucy is raped and pregnant and forced to marry Petrus, the man who sees her bathing. It narrates the effect of West political and post-colonization. Effect को ये बताता है. Then Lucky Jim. Lucky Jim was published in 1954, which was written by Kingsley Ames. It is a debut novel. The publisher of this is Victor Glorange. Won Somerset Maugham Award for Fiction in 1995. Dedicated to Philip Larkin and protagonist Jim Dixon, a reluctant lecturer. Penin, which was published in 1957. It was written by Vladimir Nabokov. It was written as a response to Don Quixote, a protagonist Timofey Pavlovich Penin, a Russian-born assistant professor living in United States. Penin's character is modeled upon Nabokov himself and one of his colleagues, Mark Shefstel. So this is also an autobiographical novel. Originally titled is My Poor Penin. It was influenced Martin Amis and Flannery O'Connor. So this is all about some important campus novel.